For judgment, item 1.
In view of there being eyewitnesses, we do not find any ground to interfere with the accused judgment and all.
Admission, item 3.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Am I audible? Mhm. Yes, sir. Regarding? Okay. Sure, sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Orders. Item 1.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, with folded hands, my lordship. I am praying for last and final opportunity, my lordship. Only for Passover the day, my lordship. With folded hand, my lordship. In the greater interest of justice, my
No,
lord.
no, no.
My lord, I am folded hand, my lord. I am folded hand, my lord. Only for last opportunity, my lord. Only last opportunity, last and
You
final.
all have been adjourning this matter.
My lord, my lord, my lord, my lord, my lord, please, my lord. I am last opportunity, my
No,
lordship. I
no,
am
no.
begging, my lord.
Sorry.
With folded hand, my lords. Only last opportunity, my lord. Only last opportunity, my lord. Tomorrow, my lord. Tomorrow, my lord. No miss, my lord. My
No.
lordship, my client has
This has
very.
been filed on 7 April 2025. It's more than 1 month lapse, Your Worship.
My lord, last.
Yes.
I'm not filing any. My
We have
last
done
opportunity, my
time
lord. I
to
have
time.
with folded hand, my lord.
No, no.
With,
Sorry.
with folded hand, my lord. With folded hand, my lord. Last
Yes,
opportunity, last and
yes,
final.
what is your submission?
My last, my lord. My lord, last, my
Submitting
lord.
lordship to the last order, which is on page 22, 5, 2025, Lordship.
My lordship, I'm handicapped, my lordship. Please, my lordship. Only last opportunity, my lord.
Yes.
It's
With folded hand, my lord.
it's in last
Put it
paragraph,
off,
Your Lordship.
put off the sound. Put off the sound. Volume. Put off the sound.
I'm sorry, my lord.
Put it low, his sound. He's disturbing the court. Yes.
Yes, Lordship, in the last paragraph, may I read,
Yes.
Lordship?
Yes.
Per contra, Mr. Such and such learned counsel for the respondent
Wait,
submits
my
that
lord.
in
Put
the
a five
first
times.
case, arrest memo clearly indicates that the grounds of arrest have been informed and communicated not only to the accused petitioners but also to his wife. He further submits that the arrest memo further indicates that the accused petitioners have also been explained the grounds of their arrest and they have signed the same. He further submits that the requirements of furnishing the grounds of arrest in writing to the friends or relative of the accused petitioner is not a mandatory requirement. He, however, seeks a short accommodation to further advance his arguments in this regard. Lordship, what happened was in the last court date is that, Lordship, this honorable court had
No, but grounds of arrest is mandatory.
mandatory. We have may take Lordship to the bail application, page 15. We have informed all the, we have comply all the requirements, Your Lordship. Page 15 of the bail application, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Uh, Paragraph number 5, Lordship.
Yes.
Accordingly, Sri, this is the
Just a
petitioner.
minute. Paragraph 5.
Paragraph 5, page 15, Annex 3,
Page 15.
15 of the bail application. Bail application.
Yeah, okay. Page 15. Yes. Yes.
Uh, Paragraph number 5, Lordship.
Yeah.
Accordingly, Mr. Sri, this is the petitioner herein, has been placed under arrest and he has been explained the grounds of his arrest And he was also informed about his right to have someone informed about his arrest, and Srimati such and such, his wife, has been informed about his arrest through mobile phone such and such. And number 6, I have explained the grounds of my arrest. The facts of my arrest has been witnessed by Sri Lanunfela such and such, a mobile number. And next page, Your Lordship, the particulars of the accused person arrest, and it has been signed by the arrestee and countersigned by the witness, Your Lordship. And the witness, Lanunfela, is also a prosecution witness. Lordship. So we have complied each and every mandatory provisions, Your Lordship. Since we have already complied these mandatory provisions, then Section 37 comes into the picture, Your Lordship, of the NDNPS Act. So what happened in the last court date, Lordship, this Honorable Court had already made up his mind and already dictated the orders. But in the meantime, while dictating the orders, so I was just asked to clarify whether the grounds of arrest in writing was given to the friends or relative. That much only, Your Lordship. So in that situation, I need some accommodation. I have to check with the department. So I seek some 1 or 2 days only.
Then
It was given. Then that was not given to the friends or relative in writing. But my submission is that it's not mandatory requirement, Your Lordship. So here in that, my learned friend had rely upon the Vimal case, Vihan Kumar case, Your Lordship.
yes, let us see. We have,
Yes.
yes, I've got it behind.
Yes. Lordship, in the last paragraph number 33, 6 lines from the
Yes.
last, Your Lordship, 6 lines from the last. Hence, the requirement of communicating the grounds of arrest in writing.
Paragraph number
Paragraph
33.
number 33, Lordship.
33, yes, hence, yes.
Yes. Hence, the requirements of communicating the grounds of arrest in writing is not only to the arrested person, but also to the friends, relative, or such other person as may be.
No,
Lordship,
no,
the language.
where are you? Where are you reading?
Lordship,
Is
paragraph
it a
number-
SCC or a, what is it?
Yes, SEC online, Lordship.
SCC online. Page, para 33 starts with,
Para-
we
hence-
pass the following order, hence the appeal is allowed and
Yes,
we
Lordship.
pass the following order.
Yes. And on the last line,
Yes, last
from
line.
the next page, 6 line from the bottom, Your Lordship. The
Please
opening.
read the entire 33.
Sure, Lordship.
Wait, 32, 33, huh? Then please read the entire 33.
Hence, the appeal is allowed, and we pass the following order. The arrest of the appellant shown on 10 June 2024 in connection with FIR such and such, dated such and such, registered at police station DLF sector 29 such and such, stands vitiated. B. Therefore, the appellant shall be forthwith released and set at liberty. Should secure the release of the arrested person as permissible under the law. The arrested person, because of his detention, may not have immediate and easy access to the legal process for securing his release, which would otherwise be available to the friends, relatives, and such nominated person by way of engaging lawyers, briefing them to secure release of the detained person on bail at the earliest. Therefore, the purpose of communicating the grounds of arrest to the detainee and in addition to his relative as mentioned above is not merely a formality, but to enable the detained person to know the reasons for his arrest, but also to provide the necessary...
Where are you reading this? Where are you reading? Which?
Coming.
33E or 33D or which one?
33B, last line. Yes, Lordship.
B?
B,
B
Lordship.
though we're finished. What is this? Just give me the, where is the, I don't know where you're reading. Either give me that. Yes, just underline where you're reading just now.
Sure, Lordship.
Ribu orang mana 1,000.
I'm sorry, Lordship.
Where are you reading?
Lordship, underline it.
Hey, this is different. This is not part of 33.
Lordship, this is what I was asked for clarification in this regard, Your Lordship.
I'm
the
not
last
on
question.
that. This is not para 33 of the judgment. You're reading something somewhere
Yes,
else.
yes.
This is a concurring judgment
Concurring
of Justice
judgment.
Venkateshwar Singh.
I'm sorry.
This is not para 33.
Yes, yes.
You all don't know how to read the judgment. This is para. You see, Justice Koteshwar judgment is 1, 2, 3, 3 paragraphs. only.
Lordship, yes.
So where is paragraph 33? There's no paragraph 33. Yes.
Yes, Lordship, I'm sorry for that. May I
So
read,
which
Lordship?
portion do you want?
Lordship, hence,
Which para 3?
para 3, Lordship,
Para
yes.
3. Say that. You should have this basic knowledge.
Lordship, yes.
It says 1, 2, 3.
Because,
How did you read para 3 to be 33? I don't understand.
I'm sorry, Lordship, because one page is missing from my printed out. That is the reason why I skip one.
Anyway, what you're reading is from 3, para 3.
Yes, Lordship.
It's not from para 33. Yes.
Lordship, hence, I've underlined it, Lordship.
Yes.
Hence, the requirement of communicating the grounds of arrest in writing is not only to the arrested person, but also to the friends, relatives, or such other person as may be disclosed or nominated by the arrested person, so as to make the mandate of Article 22(1) of the Constitution meaningful and effective, failing which such arrest may be rendered illegal, Your Lordship. But the Supreme Court says that the word maybe is used, Your Lordship. So it is not mandatory requirements to communicate the friends or relatives the grounds of arrest in writing.
Did you communicate the grounds of arrest in writing to the arrested person?
Yes, yes, Your Lordship. Yes.
Who is this witnessed by Landun Fela, son of Lal Tlan Liana? Who is this person?
He's a civilian witness, Your Lordship. And he's the prosecution witness number 3.
Anything else?
Lordship, since we have complied with all the mandatory provisions, then Section 37 of the ND&PS Act come into the picture, Your Lordship. So the Section 37 of the ND&PS Act has a twin conditions, Your Lordship, which
Okay, I got it.
Your Lordship might not know.
So this is 21C or what is it?
21C, Your Lordship.
What is it?
Methamphetamine.
How come methamphetamine will become 21C? It's
Lordship, it's 7.
methamphetamine will not come under 21C.
But your Lordship, this is 7872 grams.
Let us see 21C.
22 your Lordship. See.
Okay, 22C.
22 your Lordship, yes.
Yes, anything to say? You can put him a little bit volume.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
My lord, I'm extremely sorry, my lordship, but I was handicapped, my lordship. My lordship, my learned friend has fairly submitted, my lordship, what he has stated, my lordship. But my lordship, the last paragraph of the para 3 of the Bihan Kumar, there is the justice protesting part, my lordship. My learned friend has pointed out that may, my lordship, on that point, my lordship, there is a constitutional provision, my lordship, regarding Article 21 and 22, my lordship. That may be.
You see, the issue is this. The issue is whether the grounds of arrest had been provided to the arrested person. It has been provided.
My lordship, they have not provided to the relatives, my lordship. They have only telephonically informed, my lordship.
The relatives, where were you arrested?
My lordship, I was
Where were you
arrested. Aizol, my lordship.
Aizol. Where does
Yes.
your relative live?
In Karimganj, Sribhumi, my lord.
Karimganj. Then that's enough. Where's the question?
My lord.
of going there? You come
My
and
lord.
take it anytime.
My lord, may I submit last, my lord? The other day, my lordship, when Mr. Mahajan was arguing, my lordship, the case, my lordship, on that point, my lordship, it's a legal principle, my lordship, may. Whether this may should be constituted as a shell or not, my lordship, that was the point, my
It will
lord.
depend upon various aspects.
Yes.
If,
My lord,
if,
my-
your,
my lord,
if your
my-
relative is in some other state, how
My
is
lord.
the question of giving the grounds of belief there? And they have been informed by phone.
My lord, admittedly, my lord.
What is your
So,
name?
my lord,
What is your name?
my lord, last submission, my lord.
What
Kindly,
is
my
your
lord.
name? What is your
My
name?
lord, my name is D. Hussain, my lord.
G. Hussain.
My lord.
Just let me see. G. Hussain.
Dayan Hussain, my lord.
D.
is there.
Hussain. D.
My lord.
Okay. Okay.
My lord,
What is your last submission?
my last submission, my lord. The last submission, my lordship. My lordship, in the meantime, my lordship, charge sheet has been filed, my lordship. So, after filing of the charge sheet, my lordship, we have not filed the bail petition before the Learned Session Judge or Special Court, my lordship, as the bail petition is pending here, my lordship. So, my lordship, this I may be given an opportunity, my lordship, to address the Session Court, my lordship, first, after filing of the charge sheet, my lordship. That's my humble request, my lord.
So you want to withdraw this bail petition?
Just with an observation, my lordship,
Mr. Counsel, you have got to be very clear in what you want.
my lord.
You want to withdraw or you don't want to withdraw?
My lord, I want to withdraw with the liberty to approach my lordship on this.
Okay, granted. You can withdraw with liberty to.
My lord, only that point, my lordship, a clinical observation, my lord. Only of the 48, my lord. Only 48 observation, my lord. Section 48 of the BNS. Section 48 of the BNS, my lord. BNSS, my lord.
Anyway, I will write down a little bit and I say that you have withdrawn. That'll be. Okay, right. Heard Mr. D. Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioners, and Mr. Johnny L. Toshong, learned special PP.
Special PP, Lordship.
Special PP for the DRI.
DRI.
Then, okay. I'll pass the order later. Okay, just say one thing. The petitioner's counsel prays that he may be allowed to withdraw the petition and approach the trial court
Lordship, yes.
for bail, inasmuch as charge sheet has been submitted
My lord.
during the proceedings of this case.
Yes, Lordship. Yes.
My lord.
The prayer of the petitioner's counsel is allowed. The petition is dismissed as withdrawn, with liberty as prayed for. I'll give you the full order later. Okay.
Highly obliged, my lordship. I am grateful, man.
Karuma.
Hearing item 1.
Highly obliged, my lord.
I don't think there'll be time.
I heard that, Lordship.
No, because now what has happened is our chief is going to Supreme Court, you know that.
Right.
And then J1, J2 and J4
Yes.
have been transferred out. So only J3 remains.
Yeah.
Let's say it's a positive development.
I don't know. So I have to go. I've got to go there because things are moving,
Yes.
and there's a recommendation for another chief to come. So, so I'll have to go there.
Now you are senior most.
Yeah.
Lordship will meet you, Lordship, and
Sure. No problem. Most welcome. This was this is the matter after a week.
2 weeks.
After 2 weeks. On the prayer of the parties, list the matter after 2 weeks.
Item 11.
How long will it take your matter?
Might take some time.
Might take some time. Just give me the file straight away.
Hearing will be adjourned.
All the rest of the yes, all of them will be. So, Mr. Ramzan, just give me 5 minutes before it, because I want to just pass that order, that bail order. Okay. So, Mr. Johnny, your case, I'll pass the order. Okay, I'll just dictate a little few lines. That's all. 5 minutes.